Stop saying, I can't. This one phrase is the enemy of progress. If you want to make progress in your life, in your career, in your relationships, stop saying, I can't. Because when you say, I can't, what you're really saying is, I refuse to try. There's a big difference. When you say, I refuse to try, it implies that you've already given up. You haven't even tried yet, but you're giving up. Don't do that. Instead, when you're faced with a challenge, say to yourself, how can I make this work? How can I get it done? When you start phrasing things in terms of how can I get this done, you're more likely to be able to do it. So if you're stuck, if you're faced with a challenge, don't say, I can't. Say, how can I? How can I make this work? How can I get it done? Because the alternative, saying, I can't, is not only demotivating for you, but it's also a self-fulfilling prophecy. You'll never be able to do it if you don't try.